Shortcuts versus progressive web apps. Imagine you have a crush on a pizza place across the street. You love their pepperoni so much that you decide you want a quick, easy access every time your stomach rumbles. No scrolling, no searching, just a single tap away from cheesy bliss. You have two main ways to keep your favorite pizza spot on speed dial. Create a shortcut, like pinning a note to your fridge. Install a progressive web app, like building your very own mini pizzeria at home, minus the actual pizza, of course. But which is better and what's the real difference? Let's dive in. Number 1, what is a shortcut anyway? A shortcut is essentially a direct link to a website. When you add to home screen on your smartphone or create a desktop shortcut on your computer, you're saving yourself from having to type the URL over and over again. It's like slapping a sticky note on your phone or computer that says, "Hey, next time, just tap here." Pros: super quick to create. Saves you from Google searching or typing a web address. You can arrange or rename them to keep your favorite close at hand. Cons: it's still just a link that opens in your browser. No fancy offline access. Fewer options, no advanced features. In short, a shortcut is your standard issue convenience tool. No bells, no whistles, but it does the trick for a quick visit. Number 2, meet the progressive web app. A progressive web app takes the idea of a shortcut and feeds it a muscle-building protein shake. At its core, a PWA is a website that acts like a true app. For instance, Twitter, Spotify, and Starbucks all offer PWAs that let you browse, stream, or order just like you would on a regular app, all without actually going through your device's app store. Key PWA superpowers include offline access. Once you've loaded content, you can often still access parts of the app even without an internet connection. App-like interface. They can launch in a standalone window and behave like a native app, making them feel more official and less browsery. Push notifications. Depending on the site and your device's support, PWAs can send you real-time updates that you can disable if you're not a fan of too many dings. Automatic updates. They update themselves in the background without bugging you for permission every 5 minutes. Discoverability. Some PWAs can be found in app stores like the Microsoft Store or Google Play Store in some cases, but you can also install them directly from your browser. No store required. Number 3. So why go PWA over a simple shortcut? User experience. PWAs can look and behave like native apps, complete with full screen mode and a fancy icon that makes them stand out and look pretty on your device. Performance. Thanks to their caching abilities, some PWAs can load content quickly, even if your internet is doing that wonderful buffering dance we all love so much. Less storage. PWAs generally take up less space than a regular native app. This is especially handy if your phone's storage is perpetually at 99%. We've all been there, crossing our fingers as we try to download yet another cat meme. Cross-platform awesomeness. PWAs run in any modern web browser, so whether you're Team Android, Team iOS, or even Team Wait, can I do this on my fridge? You're usually good to go. Number 4. Current trends and latest tidbits. Better browser support. Modern browsers, Chrome, Edge, Firefox, and Safari, continue to improve PWA support. Safari, which lagged behind a bit in the past, is increasingly adopting more of the PWA features, like push notifications on Mac OS. Desktop PWAs. On Windows, Mac OS, and even Linux, you can now install PWAs directly from browsers like Chrome and Microsoft Edge. You get a nice icon on your desktop or start menu, making it feel like a good old application. App stores. Some companies are experimenting with listing their PWAs in official app stores for easy discovery, though this is still a hit or miss scenario. Developer love. More websites are turning into PWAs to offer offline modes, background sync, and push notifications. This is great if you like shiny new features, but can also be trouble if you're easily distracted by pop-up notifications. Sorry, that was your gym's PWA telling you to work out. Number 5. Humor break. The shortcut versus PWA pizza analogy. Shortcut. Like asking for a business card from your favorite pizzeria and taping it to your fridge. It's a constant reminder, but it won't magically hand you a slice. PWA. Like inviting the chef from the pizzeria to set up a mini pizza station in your kitchen. You'll still need ingredients, the internet, for new or updated pizzas, the content, but the chef can whip up something from the last batch when you're offline. Plus, ring a bell, send a notification when fresh slices are ready. Number 6. Which one should you use? If you just want a quick link and don't care about offline capabilities or push notifications, a shortcut is all you need. One tap and you're off to the website. If you want a richer experience, including offline functionality, a more app-like interface, and possibly push notifications, a PWA is the way to go. For most web-centric services, like reading articles, using maps, or checking emails, a PWA can be a game changer. But if your needs are minimal, the low-effort shortcut is perfectly fine. Conclusion. Shortcuts are simple and super convenient for immediate access, but progressive web apps open the door to a deeper app-like experience. Think of them as the difference between a sticky note on your fridge, which is the shortcut, and having a mini chef's kitchen right at home. That's the PWA. Each has its place, and it all comes down to how interactive or robust you need your digital chef to be. So go ahead, pin that shortcut to your favorite joke website, but when you're ready to upgrade your pizza game or any other web service you can't live without, install their PWA. Your phone and your taste buds will thank you. Stay safe, stay secure, and bon appetit. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for reading, watching, and listening.